Welcome to Kenwood Japan. Kenwood would like to introduce to you NA back meter panel and heater control panel LED light. I will show you how to install the two LED lights. The two sets of lights are very easy to install. When you have finished installing your LED lights, the lights will change the atmosphere of your Miata and MX-5 interior. Please follow these simple installation instructions. I will guide you step by step on how to do a quick and easy installation. Let's start!
First, please remove the battery positive wire from the battery pole before you start the installation. Here are the position of the two screws that you need to remove so that you can install your LED back panel lights. You will remove the four original back meter bulbs here, 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 and here. Only these four you will remove. Now let's remove the original bulb from the socket. Please hold the green bulb firm and pull it out from the socket. I will now install the LED light in the socket. This is the difference in looks between the LED back panel and the Mazda original lights. Here is a Mazda dashboard panel with the original back panel light and the Ken Auto LED light. On the right side is Ken Auto LED light and on the left side is Miata MX-5 Roadster original light. You can see the LED light is much brighter than the original light. Now, let's look at when the LED light has been installed in your Miata MX-5 Roadster. This is how bright your Mazda car will look when you have installed Ken Auto LED lights for your back panel and your heater panel.
When you purchase the LED light from Kenwood Japan, you will get a 1-year warranty starting from the day you purchase the light. Please make your order for your NA back panel meter and heater control panel LED lights at kenwoodjapan.com. Thank you for watching Kenwood NA meter back panel and heater control LED lights installation video. I do hope you enjoy watching. See you soon. Bye.